So a couple weeks ago, I made a mini dragon egg that turned out way better than I expected. And for the video, I just kind of made a makeshift stand for it using Brussels sprout stock that I had on hand. In this video, I'm going to go back and make a new stand for it. We're going to cast that Brussels sprout stock and make it really fit the egg perfectly. So let's get started. So like I said, the stand that I made for the egg last time, it just was something that I wanted to make really quick to get some photos of, basically. And it turned out, you know, it really matched perfectly. So I knew that I wanted to make something else, but I wanted to use that stand. And it was made with Brussels sprout stock that was dye stabilized green. And all I didn't get any video of me making the blank, but it was super simple. I just dropped it in a piece of 1.5 inch PVC pipe, used clear resin with a little bit of the colorshift powder that I sell on my website to it, and that matched the, you know, the egg perfectly because that's what I used on the egg to kind of give that effect. So in this video, like I said, we're starting out after I made the blank, but it was a super simple casting. Here's the video on turning it up, so let's see how this thing turned out. Well, all right, guys, I am super stoked about this thing. It turned out even better than I had expected. It fits the egg perfectly. You know, I hollowed it out and the egg sits in there nice. That other thing, I just kind of barely, you know, scuffed it up and made it so the egg would just not fall off of it before. Now it fits perfectly. I think this is an absolutely amazing set. It's a really cool project. I had so much fun making it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time on my channel, we do all kinds of resin casting projects, tips and tricks, and experiments around here. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when new videos get posted. And if you're thinking about getting into resin casting, but you're not really sure where to begin, check out my ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Resin Casting. It answers all those beginner questions like, you know, what kind of resin should I use? What tools and supplies and things do I need to get started? It'll help you get over that initial learning curve so that you can get into the shop and start making some pretty cool castings yourself. It's available on my website if you want to check it out. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.